When we click on the Solve tab, we are taken here. We'll click Open. There are 3 different ways to enter the solver: pre-flop, post-flop, or post-flop 3-way. The first method is to go into pre-flop and choose the game type. MTT stands for tournaments. We also have cash game no ante and cash game with an ante. Next, we choose the number of players. We can also see the post-flop included option here. Select yes or no depending on your game. After that, we choose the stack size and the format, which is the rake structure for cash games. For tournaments, this will be the ICM field, which shows how many players are left. For example, in a 500-person field, we can set exactly how many players remain. From here, we go into the sim, which takes us to pre-flop. We can then navigate through the entire pre-flop tree. For example, we can see what happens when the low jack raises and view the different strategies for each position. If we want to run a post-flop sim from this pre-flop, we complete the pre-flop action, then enter the board and click Run It. This will solve it on the fly, and we can navigate straight through to post-flop. That's one way to open a sim. Another way is to go straight to the post-flop tab. This is a faster option if we don't need to go through pre-flop first. Here we choose the positions. Since we're in post-flop 2-player mode, we select 2 positions, then choose the pot type. We have several pot types to choose from: single raised pot, 3-bet pot, 4-bet pot, limped pot, ice O, or limp 3-bet. Let's say we have 100 big blinds, hijack versus button, single raised pot. We click Run It, choose the board cards, and it's already solved with the best single size. For post-flop 3-way, there's a separate option for that. We select that option, choose 3 positions since it's 3-way, then click Run It. That gets our 3-way simulation ready. To navigate to turns and rivers, we go to the top and click through. Then we choose our turn card. We can select custom, which lets us set our own exact sizes and configure everything the way we want. We can add bet sizes, add raise sizes, remove raise sizes, add donk sizes, or simply choose the best single size. The tool will pick the best single size for both in position and out of position for bets and raises, or we can click Run It, which will select the bet sizes for us automatically. Everything will be tailored to the specific situation, including the ranges, stack sizes, and stack to pot ratio. The solver will automatically run the solve for us. For example, we can choose the 8 of hearts and it will run in real time. The same process applies for the river. We just select the river card and choose either custom or Run It. We can switch between different views here, such as strategy and EV or EV only. We can also go back to the flop and change things by adjusting our bet sizes again. Hovering over this brings up the sub matrix. The weighted strategy option changes the view from full range weighting to just the percentage of the range that actually reaches that point. That covers everything on this page. Let us know on Discord in the Solver discussion channel if you have any questions.